Hi, welcome back to Shotoku Tech. In my previous video, Meshtastic on M5 Stack Computer Advanced Setup Guide and Range Test with the cap LoRa 1262, I got this interesting comment. I really do appreciate comments from the community and I've tried to respond to them as much as possible. Is there a way to save the config file for Meshtastic and Meshcore? They all disappear and it's like setting up a new node every time I go from one to the other. Thanks. Yeah, I touched on it briefly in my previous video, flashing Meshtastic backup and restore your private keys, right? But the problem with that is, the problem with that is it doesn't back up the rest of your configuration. Yeah, he says, Meshtastic isn't bad because I can save the config files. Yeah, my concern is, am I going to get my private key back or not? Because if you watch my previous video about backing up and restoring the private keys, you have to see the hoops I had to jump through if I lost my private key after doing a full flash and image. So that's we have to be careful with our configuration to back it up, and we have to be careful with our keys to back them up. So let's see here. I'm connected to 7.2D4. It's a Heltec V3, and I want you to pay attention to the public key there. Yeah, you look at the first 5 characters and the last 5 characters and kind of memorize those. Yeah, I can't barely make it out because I don't have my glasses on, but yeah, it's like 4-1 jam or something. Yeah, 4-1 jam. And so that's what we're going to want to look for when we get done restoring our configuration. So here's backup and restore section. I was really concerned, like, what's the file name, etc. Yeah, we're going to export everything. Oh, yeah. See here, I was worried about what's the file name going to be. Yeah, Meshtastic 7.2D4 and the date. So that's really convenient. We'll be able to identify the node, which node was backed up and when it was backed up. Okay, so now it's time to do a full erase and flash on the Heltec V3. Yeah, so I'm in Meshtastic Flasher, Heltec V3. Let's go ahead and get the latest image. Yeah, we're alpha all the way. Down here past the changelog, full erase and install. There's the warning. We're going to crop some of this out because we've seen it all before and it takes a while. And this is when I realize, yeah, if I had a GPS module or any other sensor, and I'd have to configure the GPIO pins and the location settings and whatever telemetry settings, etc. And I really want the backup to bring those back because I don't remember them. Yeah, okay, so now we're pairing back up with it. You see, I have to start all over again because I don't even have that relationship where I'd already put in the pin code. Now I'm connecting. It's like I'm connecting to it brand new. Okay, let's see. Are we connected? Yeah, we are connected. So now we want to do the restore. Scroll down here to import configuration. So we're exporting and importing, not really backing up and restoring. And you can see there's my file name, Meshtastic 7.2. I'm pretty sure that's the one I want. We're going to import everything, of course. All right, and it just doesn't do anything. Yeah, you see finally my connection light went red. I had to reset both the app and the device to get connected back, but you can see here my hop count is 5 and my frequency slot is 20. That's the first thing you have to set is region and frequency slot. So the other thing I want to see, yeah, there's my certificate 4.1 jam. Yeah, 4.1 jam right there. So it did back up my public key and my private key, of course. Yeah, behind the public key is the private key, and the private key gets hashed into the public key. Anyway, so yes, we answered this question, or the person asking the question answered it for himself. Meshtastic allows you to export and import your configuration, including your private keys. So leave a comment down below, give this video a like, and before you go watch more of my Meshtastic videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.